welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nora. Welcome back here again. Today's video will be a continuation of our whiten your skin on a budget part 2. Yes, this is part 2. This is not a rating video. Don't think maybe number 1 is better than number 2 or number 2 is better than number 1. I'm just giving you my top 5 lighten your skin on a budget products that work, that you can use effectively to lighten your skin without having to spend much. So today's video is our number 2 of our whiten your skin on a budget. Okay, so before we get into today's video, I just want to appreciate my beautiful subscribers, my family here. You guys are awesome. Thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate you all, and I want to welcome our new subscribers. Thank you so much. Right here on this channel, we talk about skincare, beauty tips, fashion, lifestyle. Okay, we drop hot topics, good skincare products that give amazing results. So you want to stick to this channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, turn on your notification post so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. So today's video is our number 2. I already did number 1. If you check my videos, you see the number 1. That was the video I did before this one, my lighten your skin on a budget. That was number 1. This is number 2. Our number 1 was I think Gluta collagen lotion. So our number 2 for today is no other product but Pawpaw. Okay, this is an amazing product. This is a fruit extract product. This is Pawpaw Lotion, and this is its serum. It has a soap. It has a shower gel. It has a tube cream. But what I'm showing you today, I'm making the video with just the lotion and the serum. It's like oil. Okay, it's lightweight, but this is serum and this is the lotion. It has a shower gel, it has a tube cream, it has a bar soap, it's a complete kit. I'm gonna insert the kit of this amazing product on my thumbnail. I'm also gonna add it at the end of this video so you see all the product. It's a complete kit. So now let's get into this product. Let's get into what the manufacturer wrote about it. I'm going to read out what the effect of it, and also what some of the additives that made this Pawpaw Lotion a nice lotion. So let's okay, let me start by reading it. Pawpaw Lotion provides your skin with a burst of radiance with all the benefits of papaya, a powerful combination of antioxidants, vitamin C and E, beta carotene, which are highly effective in combating skin aging. With its exfoliating properties, Pawpaw Lotion reduces brown spots, and its regenerating, moisturizing properties help smooth the texture of your skin. The complexion is even, more luminous, and the skin is soft and clean. Okay, so I'm going to read out some of the contents in this Pawpaw Lotion, and it has water, salicylic alcohol, salicylic acid, petroleum jelly. It has white oil, it has glycerin, it has propylene glycol, it has kojic acid, it has AHA, it has sodium metasol, it has citric acid, it has fragrance, then papaya extract. This lotion gives this kind of radiance tone, like it gives this radiance complexion. Is very good. Is a fruit acid. This lotion doesn't contain hydroquinone. The serum as well doesn't contain hydroquinone. Is a fruit acid product. Okay, unlike the other products I reviewed, which I told you the serum contains hydroquinone, why the lotion doesn't. Okay, this one doesn't. This is a fruit acid product. It's a fruit acid base. This is more like white. I've made video of white now on my channel, white now lotion and the oil. This is similar to that product. Okay, this gives this radiant glowing complexion, more on the yellow tone kind of complexion. That's what this gives. And another thing, this other thing I'll have to tell you about these products. Okay, if you have the intention of to use this Pawpaw Lotion and the serum, is don't apply and walk under the sun. There's something about even the if you've used papaya soap or kojic sand soap, you know those orange like kind of soaps, you know, and when you use, there are some skins that when you use those orange color papaya kojic sand you know, those orange color kind of soap, or tapaya, kojisan, nano white, those kind of soap, it tends to turn some skin red when used for a long time. When used for a long time, it tends to make some skin kind of reddish tone instead of being yellow that everyone wants. Nobody wants a reddish tone. So just like this papaya lotion and the oil, when you apply this lotion and move around the sun, okay, it's gonna make your skin tone look reddish. That's the truth. So I will advise, if you want to use this effectively, you know, I promise when I'm reviewing this, my Lighten whiten your skin on a budget, these are very affordable products you can buy and use. You don't need to break the bank. You don't need to stress yourself. You just little money, you get a product that works for you. And I also promise to advise on how you can use it to get the best result out of these products. Okay, I will advise, if you want to use this product, get a moisturizer, get something like Jeggings and use during the day while you mix this and use at night. And if you want it very effective, just use half of the lotion and pour in the serum. If you want it really concentrated, okay, half of the lotion, the serum, and the tube. Do you understand me? Like when you get the lotion is big. It's a 500 ml lotion. It has a small size as well, but okay, let's use the this big size to make illustration of it. If you want to use it, okay, if you want to go for Pawpaw Lotion and you want to use it really concentrated, you want to use it to really whiten your skin, you're going to share the lotion into two. Then you're going to add one of the serum and half of the lotion, and you're going to add one of the Pawpaw tube. It has a tube cream, like I said. I will insert the picture at the end of this video. So you add the tube cream inside half of the lotion, and you add one of this serum in the half. Then after you've done using this half, the second part of the half, you also do the same thing. You add one of the serum into the half lotion, and you add one of the Pawpaw tube as well. Okay, you can add 2 tablespoons of almond oil to be on a safe side. Yes, 2 tablespoons of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of bow oil, okay, to be on a safe side, to avoid it giving you any side effect. And if you're really mixing this thing like I just explained here, please use it at night. Get the lotion and moisturizer like Jeggings, Vaseline lotion, or E45, you know, good moisturizers. Use it during the day and you use the mixture at night. Okay, if you want to use the lotion as well on its own, except the days you're not going out, just apply and stay at home. It has a tendency of making the skin reddish when you use it under the sun. Even if you don't mix it, you apply only the lotion and move around the sun, it's going to make your skin tone come out reddish because it's a fruit acid. Okay, it's just like vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is not good. So vitamin C and sun are not friends at all. It works, but when you move under the sun with a vitamin C based product, it's going to make your skin turn reddish. Okay, so that is it about this product. I will also read out the serum to you. Okay, Pawpaw Lightening Oil provides your skin with a boost of radiance with all the benefits of papaya. With its exfoliating properties, Pawpaw oil reduces brown spots, and its regenerating moisturizing property helps smooth the texture of your skin. The complexion is even, that your complexion will look even, more luminous, and the skin is soft and clean. Okay, it has, you know, papaya is a fruit acid serum. It has exfoliating properties. This does wonders in lightening the skin, I won't lie to you. And it exfoliates your skin, help takes out dead skin cell, helping your lotion to work effectively well on your skin. Your skin is gonna come out clean, beautiful, radiant, okay, and smooth. So these 2 products are very amazing. So you can use this with either the soap. It has a soap. The Pawpaw has its own soap. Either use it with the soap or use it with any other papaya soap. It should do a good job. Okay, but if you can get the lotion, the serum, the tube, and the soap, you are good to go. But if you are the type that doesn't like using tubes, you can use the lotion. Just pour this oil inside half of the lotion and get the soap. Okay, let me get to how you can use the soap to get the best of it, to get the best effect of the soap, to enjoy the benefit of the soap. The way you can use the soap to get the best result is when you're under your shower, you take the soap, you lather it all over your body. You lather it properly all over your body, on your face and body. Lather it well. then stay in the shower. Just after you wet your skin, you just lather soap on your face and body. Then you wear your gloves if you're using a glove sponge, or you use your sponge. Then take a little. At that period, you're taking the sponge, you're trying to get your sponge and to take a little soap. The one you max has already worked at least for 2 or 3 minutes. Then you use your sponge, add a little of the soap again, and you scrub your skin with it and rinse off. Okay, max for 3 to 4 minutes. Then put on your sponge and take a shower. Then after that, the lotion and the serum you apply. Okay, if you want it too active, add the tube cream, but please use it only at night. Use a moisturizer during the day. Okay, so your complexion is going to come out really nice and beautiful without giving you a reddish tone. If you apply this and walk under this hot Niger sun, you're gonna look reddish. That's the truth. So to avoid that, mix it up the way I just said. For the soap, you max for a few minutes in the shower, not maxing and moving around, just in the shower. You max for a few minutes, put in your sponge and take a bath. Then you apply at night. Then during the day, you apply your moisturizer. Okay, the moisture. And when you're going under the sun, please to maintain or to sustain the results you've achieved from this, use a sun protection. Because when you're using a Lighten or whiten lotion at night, using your moisturizer during the day, and you're still walking under the sun without protecting your skin, you're not going to be seeing results. Even if the result is showing, it's not going to come out clean. So for it to come out clean, a sunscreen is always very advisable. It's very important. Okay, if you're at home, you're not going out, apply a moisturizer, just relax and chill at home. Okay, but if you must go under the sun, if you must go out to work or whatever, please wear your sun protection and use your whitening products at night for best results. Okay, that will be end of today's video. I don't want to bore you with too many long story. I think I have dropped the important tips for using this product and the best way to use it without having side effects. Okay, so this video is my part 2 of my lighten your skin on a budget. These products are very cheap. It's very affordable. Let me use that word. Let me not say cheap. It's very affordable. Very affordable. With okay, it's very affordable. With 5K, you should be able to get everything: the soap, the tube, the lotion, and the oil. It's very affordable, and I just explained to you how you can use it effectively without side effects. So this is my lighten your skin on a budget part 2. So expect my part 3. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go subscribe to my channel. Hit that red button you're seeing. Just hit it now. As you're seeing it, please just hit it. Don't skip. Just hit it. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when I'll be dropping the next one. Lighten your skin on a budget part 3 is coming up soon. In 2 or 3 days then I'll try to drop that one. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification poll so you don't miss out when I drop that one. Thank you, God bless you, and I love you all. See you in my next one. Bye.